Hello, it's pencil magic time, and this week it's shade any way you want. Start with water and do a scribble. And shading any way you want means you can have one light source or no light source or multiple light sources, and you can make the lines disappear or not. You can do one shade of gray or a grayscale type shading. Just shade any way you want and have fun with it. Okay, don't forget the very darks. They do add definitely a level of dimension. And put in your very darks at the last. And don't do it like me when not sharpening the pencil. It's definitely time. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you next week. And this week it's shading any way you want. Use all the skills you've learned so far. You take care.